If you want to integrate a logo carousel in your Divi website using a free plugin, then Carousel Maker for Divi will be the best option. This free plugin also includes a logo carousel. In the next few minutes, we will install the Carousel Maker for Divi plugin. We will make a simple logo carousel. We will take a look at each settings and option. We will make our carousel responsive. Let's jump into the procedure. From the WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, then click Add Plugin, and on the search tab, on the search field, search Carousel Maker for Divi. Here is our plugin, Carousel Maker for Divi. Click Install Now and activate the plugin. Then we are going to a blank Divi page to add our logo carousel. On a Divi section, we are click to add a row. Select this one column row and find out the logo carousel. Click Add New Item, then click the Contents and Add Image. Starting with this one, upload logo. We have successfully added the all logos. At first, we are starting with the row. We have to increase the width of this row. So go to row settings and then click the design and click on the sizing. Make it 90%. And the max width, make it 90% as well. Save and click the module settings. At first, we are on the main carousel settings. Click the carousel settings and make the animation speed 800 ms. That's mean the milliseconds. And autoplay speed, this should be right. And navigation and pagination, keep it all of this. And the fix with slide, no. Slide to show, okay. At first, we are starting with the responsive settings. This is called this slide to show. And on the desktop, we would like to show at least 5 brands at a time, or the 6 brands at a time. 5 will be better, I think so. Then on the tablet, if we keep the 5 brands, it seems to be not good to see. So we will be showing here 3 brands, and on the mobile device, we will show two logos at a time. For the mobile 2, for the tablet 3, and for the desktop 5. And on the real world, when you work with multiple brand logos, there could be some alignment issues on the logos. Like, wait few seconds. As you can see here, that this brand Kruger is not to correctly, alignment isn't correct, or this one also. So from the content and go to the specific logo settings and go to design and go to spacing. You can either increase the margin or padding, or sometimes you can increase the margin on bottom or top. And let's start with the margin, increasing the margin on the top. As you can see here, that alignment has been corrected. That's how you can simply correct each of the logos alignment correct. And also this model offers the auto height. It sometimes works perfectly. You will find it main carousel settings, click advanced, and you will find the auto height. And also the item to scroll. Let's jump into the logo settings, what option it are offering. And when we are hovering, there's a nice option here. When we hovering here, what would be happen? And I would be selecting black and white. This is very interesting setting. When someone hovering the mouse over the logo, it will make it black and white. Click the save button and exit the visual builder. That's how successfully we have created a logo carousel using a free plugin. One thing I must mention that the current version of the Carousel Maker for Divi does not support Divi 5. By taking full responsibility, I can assure you that the Divi 5 compatible version of the Carousel Maker is coming within the timeline of the Divi 5 production or a stable version. Thanks for your valuable time.